What to do when the child does not want to share with others. As parents, we want our children to feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings with us. However, sometimes children may be hesitant or unwilling to open up, which can make it challenging for parents to support them effectively. There are many reasons why children may not want to share with others, including fear of judgment, a desire for privacy, or a lack of trust. If your child is reluctant to share with you or others, the following steps can help you support them. Create a safe and supportive environment. It's important for children to feel safe and supported at home. Create a safe space for your child to share their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or criticism. Empathize with your child. Let your child know that you understand their perspective and that you are there to support them. Try to see things from their point of view and validate their feelings. Respect your child's boundaries. Respect your child's boundaries and privacy. Let them know that they have the right to keep some things private and that you will not force them to share anything they don't feel comfortable with. Be patient. Building trust and rapport takes time. Be patient and allow your child to open up at their own pace. Don't push too hard or become frustrated if they don't share right away. Use open-ended questions. Avoid asking yes or no questions. Instead, use open-ended questions that encourage your child to elaborate and share more about their thoughts and feelings. Try different approaches. Different children respond to different approaches. Try using different communication styles, such as writing or drawing, to encourage your child to share with you. Model good communication. Children often learn by example. Model good communication skills by listening actively and sharing your own thoughts and feelings in a respectful and constructive way. Seek professional help. If your child is struggling with emotional or behavioral issues, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide additional support and guidance for your child and family. Encourage your child to build positive relationships. Encourage your child to build positive relationships with peers and adults outside of the family. This can provide additional support and a different perspective that may be helpful in opening up. Celebrate small victories. Celebrate when your child does open up, even if it's just a little bit. This can help build trust and encourage further sharing. Validate your child's emotions. Let your child know that their feelings are valid and important. Even if you don't agree with their perspective, it's important to respect their emotions. Avoid judgment or criticism. Criticizing or judging your child can make them less likely to share with you in the future. Try to approach conversations with an open mind and avoid negative or critical comments. Use active listening. Active listening involves fully focusing on what your child is saying and providing feedback that shows you understand their perspective. This can help build trust and encourage further sharing. Find common ground. Look for areas where you can relate to your child's experiences. For example, you may have had similar struggles or challenges when you were their age. Encourage self-expression. Encourage your child to express their emotions and thoughts in ways that feel comfortable to them. This might include writing in a journal, drawing, or playing music. Respect cultural or individual differences. Different cultures and individuals may have different norms around sharing emotions. Respect your child's cultural or individual differences and find ways to support them that are in line with their beliefs and values. Create opportunities for bonding. Spending quality time with your child can help build trust and encourage sharing. Find activities that you both enjoy and use this time to connect with your child. Share your own experiences. Sharing your own experiences and challenges can help your child feel less alone and encourage them to open up. However, be careful not to make the conversation about you and avoid oversharing. Address underlying issues. If your child is reluctant to share due to underlying issues, such as anxiety or depression, it's important to address these issues. Seek professional help if necessary. Celebrate diversity. Celebrating diversity and encouraging your child to appreciate different perspectives can help them feel more comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings. Use positive reinforcement. Encourage your child to share their thoughts and feelings by using positive reinforcement. Praise them when they do open up and show appreciation for their willingness to communicate. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building trust and rapport. Make sure that you are consistently available and supportive when your child needs to talk. Respect your child's feelings of discomfort. If your child is uncomfortable sharing on a particular topic, respect their feelings and avoid pushing them to talk about it. Instead, focus on building trust and comfort around other topics. Take a step back. Sometimes, taking a step back and giving your child space can encourage them to open up. Let them know that you are there for them and available to talk if they need it, but give them the freedom to initiate the conversation. Seek support from other trusted adults. If your child is reluctant to share with you, consider seeking support from other trusted adults, such as a teacher, coach, or family member. They may be able to provide additional support and guidance. Use humor. Humor can be a powerful tool for breaking down barriers and encouraging communication. Use humor to lighten the mood and show your child that you are approachable and supportive. Avoid lectures or preaching. Lectures or preaching can make your child feel defensive and less likely to share. Instead, approach conversations with an open mind and a willingness to listen. Encourage problem solving. Encourage your child to think critically and problem solve when they are facing challenges. This can help build confidence and encourage them to share their thoughts and feelings with you. Show empathy. Empathy involves putting yourself in your child's shoes and understanding their perspective. Show empathy by actively listening and validating their emotions. Create a routine. Creating a routine around communication can help your child feel more comfortable sharing with you. For example, you might have a weekly check-in where you both share your thoughts and feelings. Use storytelling. Storytelling can be a powerful way to encourage your child to share their own experiences and emotions. Share a personal story or read a book together that deals with similar themes to encourage your child to open up. Create a gratitude practice. Encourage your child to focus on the positive aspects of their life by creating a gratitude practice. This can help build resilience and encourage them to share positive experiences and emotions. Use active problem solving. If your child is reluctant to share due to a problem they are facing, use active problem solving to help them find a solution. This can help build trust and encourage further sharing in the future. Encourage journaling. Journaling can be a helpful tool for children to express their emotions in a safe and private way. Encourage your child to write down their thoughts and feelings in a journal and share it with you if they feel comfortable. Use art therapy. Art therapy can be a helpful tool for children to express their emotions when they are reluctant to share verbally. Encourage your child to express themselves through art and use this as a starting point for further conversation. Avoid interrupting. Interrupting your child when they are sharing can make them feel unheard and less likely to share in the future. Avoid interrupting and allow your child to fully express themselves before responding. Use positive body language. Positive body language, such as nodding and maintaining eye contact, can help your child feel heard and validated. Use positive body language to show your child that you are fully present and engaged in the conversation. Encourage mindfulness. How to promote cooperation and teamwork in children. Promoting collaboration and teamwork skills in children is an important aspect of their social and emotional development. These skills are not only essential for success in school but also in life. In this article, we will discuss some guidelines and tips for promoting collaboration and teamwork skills in children. First and foremost, it is important to create a positive and supportive environment for children to work in. This can be achieved by encouraging open communication, active listening, and respecting each other's opinions. Children should be taught to appreciate each other's strengths and differences and to work together towards a common goal. Another important aspect of promoting collaboration and teamwork skills in children is to provide them with opportunities to work in groups. This can be done through classroom activities, group projects, and extracurricular activities. Group work allows children to learn from each other, share ideas, and solve problems together. It is also important to provide children with clear expectations and guidelines for working in groups. This can include establishing roles and responsibilities, setting deadlines, and providing feedback on their progress. By giving children a structure to work within, they are more likely to stay focused and engaged in the task at hand. Parents and educators can also promote collaboration and teamwork skills in children by teaching them effective communication skills. This includes teaching children how to express themselves clearly, listen actively, and resolve conflicts in a constructive manner. Children should also be taught how to give and receive feedback in a positive and productive way. In addition to these skills, children should also be taught how to set and achieve goals as a team. This can be done by breaking down larger goals into smaller, achievable tasks and setting specific deadlines for each task. By working together to achieve a common goal, children learn the value of persistence, hard work, and collaboration. Parents and educators can also promote collaboration and teamwork skills in children by providing them with opportunities to engage in team-building activities. These activities can include games, puzzles, and challenges that require children to work together and communicate effectively. By engaging in these activities, children learn to trust each other, rely on each other's strengths, and work towards a common goal. Finally, it is important to recognize and celebrate the successes of children who demonstrate strong collaboration and teamwork skills. This can be done through praise, recognition, and rewards. By acknowledging and reinforcing these skills, children are more likely to continue to develop and improve them. Another important aspect of promoting collaboration and teamwork skills in children is to encourage them to take responsibility for their actions. Children should be taught to take ownership of their role in the group and to follow through on their commitments. This can be done by setting clear expectations and holding children accountable for their actions. It is also important to provide children with opportunities to reflect on their group work and evaluate their own performance. This can help children identify areas for improvement and develop a growth mindset. By encouraging self-reflection and self-evaluation, children learn to take responsibility for their own learning and development. Parents and educators can also promote collaboration and teamwork skills in children by modeling these skills themselves. By demonstrating effective communication, cooperation, and problem-solving, adults can serve as positive role models for children. Children are more likely to adopt these skills if they see them being practiced by the adults around them. Finally, It is important to recognize that promoting collaboration and teamwork skills in children is an ongoing process that requires ongoing support and encouragement. Parents and educators should be patient and persistent in their efforts to promote these skills and should be willing to adapt their strategies based on the individual needs and preferences of each child. Another important aspect of promoting collaboration and teamwork skills in children is to encourage them to embrace diversity and inclusivity. Children should be taught to appreciate and celebrate differences in culture, background, and abilities. This can be done by providing opportunities for children to learn about different cultures and perspectives, and by encouraging them to work with children who have different backgrounds and experiences. Parents and educators can also promote collaboration and teamwork skills in children by creating opportunities for them to engage in community service and volunteer work. By working together to help others, children learn the value of empathy, kindness, and teamwork. This can also help children develop a sense of purpose and meaning in their lives. It is also important to provide children with opportunities to develop leadership skills within the context of group work. This can be done by encouraging children to take on leadership roles within their groups, such as leading discussions, delegating tasks, and facilitating communication. By developing leadership skills, children learn to take initiative, make decisions, and inspire others. Another effective way to promote collaboration and teamwork skills in children is to encourage them to engage in sports and other physical activities. Physical activities require teamwork, communication, and cooperation, and can help children develop important social and emotional skills. By participating in sports and other physical activities, children also learn the value of perseverance, resilience, and hard work. Finally, it is important to recognize that promoting collaboration and teamwork skills in children is not only beneficial for their personal growth and well-being but also for the wider community. By developing these skills, children are better equipped to work with others to solve complex problems and contribute to society in meaningful ways. Another important aspect of promoting collaboration and teamwork skills in children is to provide them with opportunities to engage in creative problem solving. Children should be encouraged to think outside the box, generate new ideas, and approach problems from different perspectives. This can be done by providing open-ended challenges and projects that require children to use their imaginations and work together to find solutions. It is also important to provide children with opportunities to receive constructive feedback on their group work. This can be done by encouraging peer feedback and self-reflection, as well as providing feedback from adults. By receiving feedback, children can learn to identify areas for improvement and develop a growth mindset. Parents and educators can also promote collaboration and teamwork skills in children by providing them with a sense of autonomy and control over their group work. Children should be given the freedom to make decisions and take ownership of their work. This can be done by providing opportunities for children to choose their own group members, project topics, and approaches to problem solving. Another effective way to promote collaboration and teamwork skills in children is to encourage them to engage in role-playing and pretend play. Role-playing allows children to practice social interactions, communication, and problem-solving in a fun and engaging way. By engaging in pretend play, children can also develop their creativity, imagination, and empathy. How to help children develop teamwork skills. Developing teamwork skills is an important part of a child's social and emotional development. Working effectively with others helps children learn how to communicate, collaborate, and solve problems. Here are some strategies parents and caregivers can use to help children develop teamwork skills. One effective approach is to provide opportunities for children to work on group projects. This can involve assigning tasks that require children to work together to achieve a common goal. For example, a group of children might be asked to build a tower out of blocks, with each child contributing to the project in their own way. Group projects help children learn how to communicate effectively, delegate tasks, and work together towards a common goal. Another way to develop teamwork skills is to encourage children to participate in group games and activities. This can include games like tag, relay races, and other team-based games. Group games help children develop their communication and collaboration skills, as well as their ability to work together towards a common goal. Parents and caregivers can also help children develop teamwork skills by modeling effective teamwork themselves. This can involve working on projects together as a family, or simply demonstrating collaborative behavior in everyday interactions. When children see adults working together effectively, they are more likely to adopt similar behavior in their own interactions with others. It's also important to provide feedback and guidance as children work on developing their teamwork skills. This can involve providing positive feedback when children demonstrate effective teamwork, as well as helping them identify areas for improvement. When children receive feedback and guidance, they are more likely to continue developing their teamwork skills over time. Finally, it's important to provide children with opportunities to reflect on their experiences working with others. This can involve asking questions like, "What did you learn from working with your group?" Or "What could you do differently next time?" Reflection helps children develop a deeper understanding of their own strengths and weaknesses, as well as the dynamics of working effectively with others. Another effective way to help children develop teamwork skills is by encouraging them to take on leadership roles within groups. This can involve assigning specific roles or tasks to children within a group project, such as a leader, a mediator, or a recorder. When children are given the opportunity to take on leadership roles, they develop their communication and problem-solving skills, as well as their ability to work effectively with others. Parents and caregivers can also help children develop teamwork skills by promoting positive communication and conflict resolution. This can involve teaching children how to express their ideas and opinions in a respectful and constructive manner, as well as how to listen actively to the ideas and opinions of others. When children learn how to communicate effectively and resolve conflicts in a positive way, they are better equipped to work effectively with others. Another approach is to provide children with opportunities to work with a variety of different individuals. This can involve grouping children with different skill levels, personalities, and backgrounds together, as well as encouraging children to work with individuals they might not normally gravitate towards. When children are exposed to different perspectives and working styles, they develop their empathy and adaptability, as well as their ability to work effectively with a diverse group of individuals. It's also important to provide children with opportunities to practice teamwork skills in real-world settings. This can involve volunteering in the community, participating in team sports, or working on group projects in school. When children are given the opportunity to apply their teamwork skills in real-world settings, they develop their confidence and sense of accountability, as well as their ability to work effectively towards a common goal. Finally, it's important to celebrate children's successes and progress as they develop their teamwork skills. This can involve praising their efforts, celebrating their successes, and providing support and guidance when they encounter challenges. When children feel supported and encouraged, they are more likely to continue working on developing their teamwork skills. Another way to help children develop teamwork skills is by encouraging them to identify and use their individual strengths within a group. This can involve helping children identify their own unique skills and talents, and then assigning tasks or roles that allow them to utilize those strengths. When children are able to use their individual strengths within a group, they are more likely to feel valued and engaged in the project, which can lead to a more effective and cohesive team. Parents and caregivers can also help children develop teamwork skills by promoting a positive attitude towards collaboration and teamwork. This can involve highlighting the benefits of working with others, such as the ability to learn from different perspectives, to achieve a common goal, and to build strong relationships. When children understand the value of teamwork, they are more likely to embrace the concept and work more effectively as part of a team. Another approach is to provide children with opportunities to engage in team-building activities. These can involve games and activities that require cooperation and collaboration, such as building a tower out of marshmallows and toothpicks, or completing a puzzle together. Team-building activities provide children with a fun and engaging way to practice their teamwork skills, and can help them develop a sense of camaraderie and trust within the group. It's also important to provide children with clear expectations and guidelines for working as part of a team. This can involve setting ground rules for communication and behavior, as well as defining specific goals and objectives for the project. When children understand what is expected of them, they are more likely to work effectively as part of a team. Finally, parents and caregivers can help children develop teamwork skills by providing frequent opportunities for reflection and feedback. This can involve asking questions like, "What went well in our group project?" Or "What could we have done differently?" When children reflect on their experiences working as part of a team, they are more likely to learn from their mistakes and build on their successes. Another effective way to help children develop teamwork skills is by providing opportunities for them to work on long-term projects that require sustained effort and collaboration. This can involve assigning a complex task or project that requires multiple steps and ongoing communication and coordination among group members. By working on a long-term project, children learn how to manage their time effectively, set goals, and work together towards a common objective. Parents and caregivers can also help children develop teamwork skills by exposing them to diverse group settings. This can involve enrolling children in activities or programs that attract a diverse range of participants, such as community service projects, cultural events, or collaborative arts projects. By working with individuals from different backgrounds and perspectives, children learn how to appreciate diversity and find common ground with others. Another approach is to provide children with opportunities to practice active listening and empathy. This can involve encouraging children to share their thoughts and feelings with others, as well as asking them to listen carefully to the perspectives of their peers. How to help your baby develop experiential skills. Developing a child's ability to experience and learn from new things is crucial for their growth and development. Through positive experiences and exposure to different environments, children can develop a range of skills, including problem solving, creativity, and social skills. Here are some strategies that parents and caregivers can use to help children develop their experiential learning skills. Firstly, it is important to provide children with opportunities to explore their environment and engage in unstructured play. This can involve providing them with a variety of toys and materials to play with, and allowing them to use their imagination and creativity to come up with their own games and activities. Unstructured play promotes problem-solving skills, creativity, and independence. Secondly, parents can take their children on field trips to museums, zoos, and other educational places. These experiences expose children to new ideas and concepts, and help them develop their understanding of the world around them. Field trips can also provide opportunities for children to ask questions and engage in discussions, which can further enhance their learning. Thirdly, parents can encourage their children to participate in extracurricular activities, such as sports, music, or art classes. These activities provide children with opportunities to learn new skills, make friends, and develop their confidence and self-esteem. Extracurricular activities also expose children to different perspectives and experiences, which can broaden their horizons and help them develop a sense of empathy and understanding. Fourthly, parents can incorporate sensory play into their children's daily routines. This can involve providing them with materials such as sand, water, or Play-Doh, and allowing them to explore and experiment with different textures, colors, and shapes. Sensory play promotes creativity, problem-solving skills, and social skills, as children learn to communicate and work together during play. Fifthly, parents can encourage their children to explore nature, whether it be through a hike in the woods or a visit to the local park. Nature provides children with opportunities to learn about the environment, engage in physical activity, and develop their observation skills. Spending time in nature also promotes creativity and imagination. Sixthly, parents can encourage their children to participate in community service projects. These projects provide children with opportunities to give back to their community and develop a sense of responsibility and empathy. Community service also exposes children to different perspectives and experiences, which can help them develop their understanding of the world around them. Lastly, parents can encourage their children to reflect on their experiences and learn from them. This can involve asking children to share what they learned from a particular experience, and discussing how they can apply that knowledge to other areas of their lives. Reflection promotes critical thinking skills and helps children develop a sense of self-awareness. Another way to help children develop their experiential learning skills is to encourage them to try new things. This can involve introducing them to new foods, hobbies, or activities. When children are encouraged to step outside of their comfort zone and try new things, they develop a sense of adventure and a willingness to take risks. Parents and caregivers can also help children develop their experiential learning skills by encouraging them to ask questions and seek out information. This can involve providing children with access to books, websites, or other resources that can help them learn more about a particular topic. When children are encouraged to ask questions and seek out information, they develop a sense of curiosity and a love of learning. It is also important to provide children with opportunities to engage in hands-on learning experiences. This can involve providing them with materials and tools to create things, such as art supplies or building blocks. Hands-on learning experiences promote problem-solving skills, creativity, and independence. Parents and caregivers can also help children develop their experiential learning skills by providing them with opportunities to engage in real-world experiences. This can involve taking them on trips to different cities or countries, or providing them with opportunities to volunteer in their community. Real-world experiences expose children to different cultures, perspectives, and ways of thinking, which can help them develop their understanding of the world around them. Encouraging children to engage in imaginative play is also important for promoting experiential learning. This can involve providing them with costumes, props, and other materials to create their own plays and stories. Imaginative play promotes creativity, problem-solving skills, and social skills as children learn to communicate and work together during their play. Finally, it is important for parents and caregivers to provide children with a safe and supportive environment in which to learn and grow. This can involve creating a space in which children feel comfortable and supported, and providing them with opportunities to connect with others who share their interests and values. Another effective way to help children develop their experiential learning skills is to encourage them to engage in collaborative learning experiences. This can involve providing opportunities for children to work in groups or pairs to complete tasks or projects. Collaborative learning promotes communication, problem-solving skills, and teamwork, as children learn to work together to achieve a common goal. Parents and caregivers can also help children develop their experiential learning skills by encouraging them to reflect on their experiences. This can involve asking children to think about what they learned from a particular experience, and how they can apply that knowledge to other areas of their lives. Reflection promotes critical thinking skills and helps children develop a sense of self-awareness. Providing children with opportunities to engage in outdoor learning experiences is another effective way to promote experiential learning. This can involve taking children on nature walks, camping trips, or other outdoor activities. Outdoor learning experiences promote physical activity, curiosity, and an appreciation for nature. Parents and caregivers can also help children develop their experiential learning skills by providing them with opportunities to engage in service learning projects. This can involve volunteering at a local charity or participating in community service projects. Service learning promotes empathy, responsibility, and an understanding of the importance of giving back to the community. Encouraging children to engage in creative expression is also important for promoting experiential learning. This can involve providing opportunities for children to create art, music, or writing projects. Creative expression promotes problem-solving skills, imagination, and self-expression. Finally, it is important for parents and caregivers to provide children with opportunities to learn from different perspectives. This can involve exposing them to different cultures, traditions, and ways of thinking. When children are exposed to different perspectives, they develop a sense of empathy and understanding, which can help them navigate social situations and build positive relationships with others. Another way to help children develop their experiential learning skills is to encourage them to develop their problem-solving skills. How to help your child develop self-confidence? As a parent or caregiver, you want your child to grow up to be confident and self-assured. Developing a child's self-confidence is crucial for success in many areas of life, including academics, career, and personal relationships. Here are some tips on how to help your child develop their self-confidence. Praise effort, not just achievement. When praising your child, focus on their effort and hard work, rather than just their achievements. This helps them understand that success comes from effort, and that they can achieve their goals through hard work and perseverance. Encourage independence. Encouraging your child to be independent can help them develop their self-confidence. Give them age-appropriate tasks and responsibilities, and encourage them to make their own decisions. This helps them learn to trust their own judgment and abilities. Provide opportunities for success. Providing opportunities for your child to succeed can help boost their self-confidence. Encourage them to pursue their interests and hobbies, and provide them with support and resources to help them achieve their goals. Encourage risk-taking. Encouraging your child to take risks can help them develop their self-confidence. Encourage them to try new things, even if they feel uncomfortable or uncertain. Provide them with a safe and supportive environment to take risks and learn from their mistakes. Model self-confidence. Children learn by example, so it's important to model self-confidence in your own life. Show your child how to be confident in yourself and your abilities. Talk about your own successes and challenges, and how you overcame obstacles. Encourage positive self-talk. Encouraging your child to use positive self-talk can help them develop their self-confidence. Teach them to use positive affirmations and to focus on their strengths and successes. Provide opportunities for social interaction. Providing opportunities for your child to interact with others can help them develop their social skills and self-confidence. Encourage them to make friends and participate in group activities, such as sports or clubs. Teach problem-solving skills. Teaching your child problem-solving skills can help them feel more confident in their ability to tackle challenges. Teach them how to break down problems into smaller parts, and how to come up with possible solutions. Encourage perseverance. Encouraging your child to persevere through challenges and setbacks can help them develop their self-confidence. Help them develop a growth mindset, where they see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Celebrate successes. Celebrating your child's successes, big and small, can help boost their self-confidence. Recognize their efforts and accomplishments, and encourage them to continue pursuing their goals. Foster a supportive environment. Creating a supportive environment can help your child feel comfortable taking risks and developing their self-confidence. Provide a safe and nurturing environment where they can express themselves freely and receive positive feedback. Encourage self-expression. Self-expression is an important part of developing self-confidence. Encourage your child to express themselves through art, writing, or other creative activities. Help them develop their own unique style and voice. Teach mindfulness. Mindfulness can help your child develop their self-confidence by helping them focus on the present moment and develop a sense of calm and inner strength. Teach them mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or meditation. Encourage physical activity. Physical activity can help your child develop their self-confidence by improving their physical health, developing their coordination and strength, and providing a sense of accomplishment. Encourage them to participate in sports or other physical activities they enjoy. Teach assertiveness. Assertiveness is an important skill for developing self-confidence. Teach your child how to assert themselves in a respectful and confident manner. Help them practice standing up for themselves and expressing their needs and wants. Provide opportunities for leadership. Providing opportunities for your child to take on leadership roles can help them develop their self-confidence. Encourage them to take charge of group projects or activities, and provide them with support and guidance as needed. Encourage gratitude. Gratitude can help your child develop their self-confidence by helping them focus on the positive aspects of their life and recognize their own strengths and abilities. Encourage them to practice gratitude by keeping a gratitude journal or expressing gratitude to others. Teach time management skills. Time management skills can help your child feel more in control of their life and develop their self-confidence. Teach them how to prioritize tasks, set goals, and manage their time effectively. Encourage curiosity. Encouraging your child to be curious about the world around them can help them develop their self-confidence by fostering a sense of wonder and excitement about learning. New things. Encourage them to ask questions and explore new ideas. Provide opportunities for public speaking. Public speaking can be a daunting task, but it can also help your child develop their self-confidence. Provide opportunities for them to speak in front of others, such as presenting a project or giving a speech. Encourage decision-making. Encouraging your child to make decisions can help them develop their self-confidence. Start with small decisions, then gradually increase the complexity of decisions they make. Encourage them to weigh their options and make informed decisions based on their values and priorities. Provide opportunities for self-reflection. Self-reflection can help your child develop their self-confidence by helping them identify their strengths and areas for improvement. Encourage them to reflect on their experiences and accomplishments, and to set goals for themselves. Encourage positive relationships. Positive relationships with family, friends, and peers can help your child develop their self-confidence. Encourage them to build positive relationships by being kind, respectful, and supportive of others. Teach emotional regulation. Emotional regulation is an important skill for developing self-confidence. Teach your child how to manage their emotions in a healthy way, such as through deep breathing or positive self-talk. Encourage a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that intelligence and abilities can be developed through effort and hard work. Assisting children in developing independent problem-solving skills. In the journey of growth and development, children encounter various challenges that require problem-solving skills. While some children naturally develop the ability to tackle problems independently, others may face difficulties in this area. It is crucial for parents, educators, and caregivers to provide guidance and support to children who struggle with independent problem solving. This essay aims to explore the reasons why some children struggle with this skill and propose effective strategies to assist them in developing their problem-solving abilities. Factors contributing to a lack of independent problem-solving skills. Several factors can contribute to a child's inability to solve problems independently. These factors include a lack of confidence, limited exposure to problem-solving opportunities, overdependence on others, fear of failure, and inadequate problem-solving strategies. Understanding these factors can help identify appropriate interventions and strategies to support children effectively. Strategies for assisting children in developing independent problem solving skills. Building self confidence. Encouraging and nurturing a child's self confidence is paramount in fostering independent problem solving skills. Praising their efforts, recognizing their strengths, and providing constructive feedback can boost their confidence and motivate them to take on challenges. Providing problem-solving opportunities. Offering children ample opportunities to engage in problem-solving activities is essential. This can be done through educational games, puzzles, and real-life scenarios that require critical thinking and decision-making. Allowing them to make choices and experience the consequences helps build resilience and problem-solving abilities. Teaching problem-solving strategies. Children benefit greatly from being exposed to various problem-solving strategies. Educators and parents can teach techniques such as breaking down problems into smaller parts, brainstorming multiple solutions, evaluating pros and cons, and selecting the most viable option. These strategies empower children to approach problems systematically. Encouraging independent thinking. Fostering independent thinking allows children to explore different perspectives and develop their problem-solving abilities. Encourage open-ended discussions, ask thought-provoking questions, and provide opportunities for children to express their opinions. This nurtures their critical thinking skills and enables them to analyze problems from different angles. Promoting perseverance and resilience. Problem solving often involves setbacks and challenges. Teaching children the value of perseverance and resilience is vital. Emphasize that making mistakes is part of the learning process, and that failures should be seen as opportunities to grow. Celebrate their efforts, no matter the outcome, and encourage them to learn from their experiences. Modeling problem-solving behaviors. Children learn by observing and imitating adults. Model effective problem-solving behaviors by thinking aloud during problem-solving activities. Show them how to approach problems, consider different options, and make decisions based on reason and logic. By witnessing these behaviors, children can internalize problem-solving strategies. Offering support and guidance. While the goal is to promote independent problem solving, it is essential to provide appropriate support and guidance when needed. Gradually reduce assistance as the child becomes more confident and capable. Be available to offer advice, clarify concepts, and provide encouragement throughout their problem-solving journey. In the journey of growth and development, children often encounter various challenges that require effective problem-solving skills. While some children naturally develop the ability to tackle problems independently, others may face difficulties in this area. It is crucial for parents, educators, and caregivers to provide guidance and support to children who struggle with independent problem solving. This essay aims to explore the reasons behind some children's difficulties in developing independent problem solving skills and propose effective strategies to assist them in overcoming these challenges. Factors contributing to a lack of independent problem solving skills. Several factors can contribute to a child's inability to solve problems independently. Firstly, a lack of self-confidence may hinder their willingness to take on challenges and believe in their problem-solving abilities. Limited exposure to problem-solving opportunities can also be a contributing factor. If children are not regularly exposed to situations that require critical thinking and decision-making, they may struggle when faced with unfamiliar problems. Overdependence on others can prevent children from developing their problem-solving skills as they rely heavily on external assistance. Fear of failure is another significant factor that may hinder children from attempting to solve problems independently. Lastly, children may lack effective problem-solving strategies. such as breaking down problems into smaller parts, brainstorming multiple solutions, and evaluating the pros and cons of each option. Building self-confidence. Nurturing a child's self-confidence is crucial in fostering independent problem-solving skills. Encourage and praise their efforts, recognize their strengths, and provide constructive feedback. By focusing on their achievements and highlighting their capabilities, you can boost their confidence and motivate them to take on challenges with a positive mindset. Providing problem-solving opportunities. Offer children a variety of problem-solving opportunities in their daily lives. This can include engaging them in educational games, puzzles, and real-life scenarios that require critical thinking and decision-making. Allowing children to make choices and experience the consequences of their actions helps them build resilience and develop their problem-solving abilities. Teaching problem-solving strategies. Introduce children to various problem-solving strategies and techniques. Teach them how to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. Encourage brainstorming sessions where they can generate multiple solutions and evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of each option. By equipping children with these problem-solving strategies, they will gain the tools to approach problems more systematically. Encouraging independent thinking. Promoting independent thinking is crucial in nurturing children's problem-solving abilities. Encourage open-ended discussions, ask thought-provoking questions, and provide opportunities for children to express their opinions. By fostering an environment that values critical thinking and different perspectives, children can develop their analytical skills and learn to approach problems from various angles. Promoting perseverance and resilience. Problem-solving often involves setbacks and challenges. Teach children the value of perseverance and resilience in the face of adversity. Emphasize that making mistakes is part of the learning process, and that failures should be seen as opportunities for growth. Celebrate their efforts, regardless of the outcome, and encourage them to learn from their experiences and try again. Modeling problem-solving behaviors. Children learn by observing and imitating adults. How to bathe a newborn baby. Caring for a newborn baby is an incredible responsibility, and one of the essential tasks in their daily care routine is bathing. Bathing not only keeps the baby clean but also provides an opportunity for bonding and relaxation. However, bathing a newborn requires special attention and care to ensure their safety and well-being. In this essay, we will discuss in detail the step-by-step process of how to bathe a newborn baby. Before we delve into the bathing process, it is important to gather all the necessary supplies. These include a basin or baby bathtub, warm water, a mild baby soap, a soft washcloth or sponge, a towel, a clean diaper, clean clothes, a baby brush or comb, and any additional items you may prefer to use, such as baby oil or lotion. Once you have all the supplies ready, find a warm and draft-free room to bathe your baby. The first step is to ensure the water temperature is suitable for the baby's delicate skin. Fill the basin or baby bathtub with warm water around 2 to 3 inches deep. To test the water temperature, gently dip your elbow or the inside of your wrist into the water. It should feel comfortably warm, similar to the baby's body temperature, around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. Next, undress your baby, leaving only the diaper on. Keep your baby wrapped in a towel or blanket to prevent them from getting cold. With one hand, gently hold their head and neck while supporting their body with your other arm as you slowly lower them into the water, feet first. Use your free hand to support their back and bottom. Once your baby is in the water, use a soft washcloth or sponge to wet their body, starting from their face and working your way down. Be cautious to avoid getting water or soap in their eyes, nose, or mouth. For their face, use a damp cloth without soap and gently wipe from the inside to the outside, focusing on their eyes, ears, and neck. Now it's time to wash the rest of the baby's body. Using a mild baby soap, lather the washcloth or sponge and gently cleanse their skin, paying close attention to their folds, such as the neck, armpits, and diaper area. Remember to support their head and neck with one hand while washing their body with the other. Take care to clean between the fingers, toes, and gently wash their genital area. After cleaning their body, rinse off the soap by pouring warm water over your baby using a cup or your hand. Make sure to remove all traces of soap from their skin. Take this opportunity to interact with your baby, talking to them and maintaining eye contact to create a bonding experience. Once the bathing is complete, lift your baby out of the water using one hand to support their head and neck and the other hand to hold their bottom. Immediately wrap them in a soft, dry towel, ensuring their body is covered to prevent heat loss. Gently pat their skin dry, paying attention to all the skin folds. Now, apply any necessary baby products, such as lotion or oil, to keep their skin moisturized. Be sure to use products specifically formulated for babies and avoid any potential allergens or irritants. Comb their hair using a baby brush or a soft comb, taking care to be gentle and not tug on their delicate scalp. Remember to always keep a hand on your baby during the entire bathing process to ensure their safety and prevent any accidental slips or falls. Never leave your baby unattended in the water, even for a moment. In addition to the basic steps mentioned earlier, there are a few additional factors to consider when bathing a newborn. First, it's important to establish a bathing routine that works best for you and your baby. Some parents prefer to bathe their baby every day, while others opt for every other day or a few times a week. Choose a frequency that suits your baby's needs and keeps their skin healthy without drying it out. When it comes to washing your baby's hair, use a mild baby shampoo that is specifically formulated for newborns. Gently massage their scalp using your fingertips, and rinse thoroughly to remove any residue. Be cautious while handling their soft spot, also known as the fontanelle, which is a delicate area on the top of their head. As your baby grows, you can introduce additional elements to make bath time more enjoyable. You may consider adding toys suitable for their age, such as rubber ducks or floating objects, to engage their senses and promote sensory development. However, always prioritize safety and choose toys that are designed for bath use, free of small parts or potential hazards. It is worth mentioning that not all babies enjoy bath time from the start. Some may initially find it overwhelming or unsettling. If this is the case, try to create a soothing and calming environment by playing soft music, dimming the lights, or using a warm towel to cover parts of their body while bathing. Gradually, with patience and consistency, most babies become more comfortable and even look forward to their bath time routine. In addition to the steps and considerations mentioned earlier, there are some additional tips to ensure a smooth and comfortable bathing experience for your newborn baby. One important aspect to keep in mind is maintaining a calm and soothing atmosphere during bath time. Babies are sensitive to their environment, so it's helpful to create a relaxing ambience by dimming the lights, playing soft music, or using a white noise machine to mimic the sounds of the womb. To further enhance the soothing experience, you can try using a baby bath seat or a bath support that provides extra stability and security for your baby while in the water. These tools are designed to keep your baby comfortably positioned, allowing you to have both hands free for washing and interacting with your little one. Another crucial aspect is water safety. Always ensure that the water level is shallow enough to prevent your baby from accidentally submerging their face. Never leave your baby unattended in the water, even for a moment, as accidents can happen quickly. If you need to step away or answer the phone, wrap your baby in a towel and take them with you. As you continue to bathe your newborn, you may notice that their skin is prone to dryness. To combat this, it's essential to choose gentle and moisturizing baby products. Opt for mild, hypoallergenic baby soaps and shampoos that are specifically formulated for newborns. Avoid using harsh adult soaps or products with strong fragrances, as they can irritate your baby's delicate skin. After bathing, pat your baby's skin dry gently using a soft towel. Avoid rubbing their skin vigorously, as it can cause irritation. Pay special attention to the folds of their skin, ensuring they are completely dry to prevent diaper rash or other skin irritations. Applying a baby-safe moisturizer or lotion can help lock in moisture and keep their skin soft and supple. Nail care is another aspect to consider during bath time. Newborns often have tiny, delicate nails that can grow quickly and may accidentally scratch their face. After bathing, when their nails are softer, you can use baby nail clippers or a baby nail file to trim their nails carefully. Take extra caution to avoid clipping their skin, and enlist the help of another adult if needed. While bathing, make use of the opportunity for bonding and interaction with your baby. Talk to them in a soothing voice, sing songs, or make eye contact. This helps to strengthen the parent-child bond and makes bath time an enjoyable experience for both of you. It's important to note that as your baby grows and becomes more mobile, you may need to adapt your bathing routine.